It is Tuesday, September 8th. We haven't been up here for several days. We had some family events over the holiday weekend, so we were out of town. Didn't get anything done over the weekend. 4 days off and didn't get any work done on the airplane, but that's okay. We had a nice trip. Started today on the vertical stabilizer. Have to do some deburring on the ribs. When they machine these, they machine them pretty good. There's a few items that had some pretty rough edges. The hinges where they put the holes through on this side, they were pretty rough on there. So I got those deburred and cleaned up. And most of these pieces ended up having to. There was a few spots that had to be deburred, but it's pretty easy. Not anything super bad. A few of the small pieces down on the corners really had had a rough spot, and I don't know if you can see on this one here, there's just a little piece on there, like when they machined it, where it maybe it caught something, or I don't know, but we deburred it. It's all smooth on there, but I think there's just a little tiniest little bit of a divot in that hole, but I think it's okay. But we're getting those done, getting the parts marked. Do have some work to do on these two pieces here. These are those two parts. There's quite a bit of a pretty rough edge from the machining CNC process that they did. I don't know if it's just from handling, and I don't know how much tolerance there is for nicks and stuff on this, but I just took a Sharpie and drew on here as spots where I think I'm going to clean those up, get that rough edge out of there. And then one of these had a pretty gnarly edge right there. I think I'll sand that a little bit, just clean these up, but not too bad. I've seen some debate on whether to prime these or to not prime these, and we're in pretty dry country, so I think I'm gonna go without priming on this. This is 6061 aluminum. It's pretty corrosion resistant. It's a little softer, but it's got higher corrosion resistance, so it's pretty good stuff. But yeah, a couple hours today. Got this stuff cleaned up. Got a few supplies we need to pick up for the rest of the assembly of this vertical stab. We got the tail skins underneath those ribs and spar there. We'll probably have to check that over pretty good. And then we'll go from there, get the rest of it put together. And that's it for now.